Welcome to HVAC exam practice test. Our topic today is practice test number 2. Download the app by using the link in the description or by searching HVAC TruePrep AI Tutor in the App Store and Google Play to access more exam-like practice tests. Question 1. The 5 classes of steam heating systems are high pressure, medium pressure, low pressure, vapor, and what systems? A. Vacuum. B. Suction. C. Blower. The correct answer is A. Vacuum. Explanation. The 5 classes of steam heating systems are high pressure, medium pressure, low pressure, vapor, and vacuum systems. Vapor systems use condensing to reach subatmospheric pressures, while vacuum steam systems help remove air and allow steam to move efficiently at lower pressures. Question 2. What is the function of a chiller in a cooling system? A. It compresses the refrigerant and raises its temperature, but to cool water or brine solutions and circulate them through evaporators. C. It circulates the refrigerant through the system. D. It decreases the pressure of refrigerant vapor. The correct answer is B. To cool water or brine solutions and circulate them through evaporators. Explanation. The compressor raises the pressure of the refrigerant vapor, causing its temperature to rise, which is an important part of the refrigeration cycle. Question 3. Packaged chillers used for HVAC are designed primarily for human comfort and are capable of producing a temperature difference of what degrees Fahrenheit? A. 30, B. 20, C. 10, D. 40. The correct answer is C. 10. Explanation. Packaged chillers used for HVAC applications are typically designed to produce a temperature difference of 10 degrees Fahrenheit to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Strainers remove debris that could damage the pump and reduce efficiency. Question 4. What is the primary component of air by volume? A. Nitrogen. B. Water vapor. C. Oxygen. D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is A. Nitrogen. Explanation. Air is composed of approximately 77% nitrogen and 23% oxygen, with small amounts of water vapor and other gases. Question 5. How much heat is given off by a person when working? Standing. A. 1,400 B2. B. 430 British thermal units. C. 2,300 B2. D. 385 British thermal units. The correct answer is B. 430 British thermal units. Explanation. Dehumidification in swimming pool areas prevents excessive moisture buildup and protects structural integrity. Question 6. Another blended refrigerant that can be used to substitute for R12 is what? A. R402. B. BR401B. C. R22. D. R401A. The correct answer is D. R401A. Explanation. R401A is a common alternative for replacing R12 in older systems. Question 7. In 1987, the Montreal Protocol established requirements that began the worldwide phase-out of ozone-depleting CFCs. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Explanation. The Montreal Protocol initiated the global phase-out of CFCs. Question 8. Why are ladder diagrams easy to read? A. They have everything labeled. B. They are often used for printed circuit boards. C. They look like a ladder, and devices and switches are connected like rungs in a ladder D. They make it easy to wire the circuits in production. The correct answer is C. They look like a ladder, and devices and switches are connected like rungs in a ladder. Explanation. Ladder diagrams are structured like a ladder for easy understanding. Question 9. Which of the following is not a recommended material for building sewer pipe? A. Bituminized fiber. B. Cast iron. C. Plastic. D. Type M copper. The correct answer is D. Type M copper. Explanation. Type K or L copper are listed, but Type M is not listed as an approved material for building sewer pipe. Question 10. Why would it be advisable to use a strainer to protect regulators and other control equipment? A. To take out any and all impurities. B. There may be solids other than dirt and chips mixed in with the gas. C. There may be water or vapors in the gas line. D. The gas may have dirt or chips mixed with it. The correct answer is D. The gas may have dirt or chips mixed with it. Explanation. Strainers prevent debris from damaging sensitive components in gas lines. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.